If I get to really go down, roll up my sleeves and start coding, but I'm a big movie buff, take an elevator to the space, that will be fun. Hi, I'm Piyush Jain, Deputy CTO at L&T Technology Services, and I'm here to answer most asked questions of Piyush Jain. What's your guilty pleasure app you can't stop using? I love IMDb app on my iPhone, but I'm a big movie buff and I keep looking at that app to find out what's coming next. How do you foster a culture of innovation within engineering teams? Well, I truly believe innovation requires to be expressive, express yourself freely. One trait you look for in every engineer is an aptitude to learn. Personal life as well, I think learning never stops. If you had to explain generative AI to a 5-year-old, how would you do it? If machines can talk to you in your own language, that's generative AI. If you would swap jobs with someone in LTTS for a day, who would it be and why? So if I get to really go down, roll up my sleeves and start coding, perhaps that would be far more exciting than what I do. What's one sci-fi tech you would bring to life? I've always been fascinated by space. There's a concept called space ladder or space elevator. Take an elevator to the space, that will be fun. When is the first time you felt like an engineer at heart? This was when I was doing a Bachelor's of Engineering at NIT Surat. We were making a edtech software that could teach digital electronics. It was all built in C and C++, and I think I truly felt an engineer at heart as to how we can build software products at that time. What's one piece of advice you would give to a budding engineer at heart? You have to be adapting and learning at the same time, and the more open-minded you are about new things, the better you would be. What's your favorite use of AI in a non-tech context? For doing some creative jobs, drawing, painting, maybe writing stories, tools are coming out where you can make your own movies using AI. Try out AI in creative field more than anything else. Those are the questions most asked of Piyush Jain. Hope you enjoy them.